Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Okay, guys, this is the road construction update. They have that one open too. My husband was saying that we should have gone on that one because it looks smooth, but they didn't clearly mark which side you're supposed to go on. Anyway, it is July 21st, 2024. Okay, they're coming down here anyway. This is the road construction update on the way towards Amasaman from, let's say, the Pokwasi area. So I don't know if we're going to take the shortcut again, but we'll see how it goes. So that's what's going on there. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, maybe they're gonna finish making the wall. Okay. So this is what it's looking like, guys. So remember, we used to ride down there. We got to upgrade. So the middle here is where they'll fill that in. They'll fill that in and fill it up. And then we'll be riding on that. That will be the straight through, and this will be the access road. So that side will be for the main traffic just going through. So we are here, we're on our way back home, and thought we'd grab a quick video for you guys and let you see how the road construction's going. So this is a Sunday afternoon. You might not see as many workers out there as you normally would. So they're doing something in the middle there, though. You can see the difference in the color, right? In the middle there. So here, you see there's the little booth. I don't know if that's going to be a police checkpoint or what. Not really sure. There's our landmark house right there. So they have a lot of the pavers over there. Yep, they're doing the work. Putting them up. See the little wall there? Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. Man, it's hard when I zoom because it's bumpy. You see, there's a little wall. Oh, guys, sorry. That's funny. You might see it better over here as we're coming up. So they'll really have to bring this up so the water can drain into the gutter. So that's how far up they're going to bring this. You see they have the little wall there. That's what they're using the pavers for. They've laid something in there, whatever it might be. I'm not sure if it's type of asphalt or blacktop or something. Oh, that's a big gutter? That's good. We'll need a big gutter. big rain. So we're coming up on the Poquassee interchange. If you guys saw the previous video, you saw we took a different way. Yep. So we're riding smooth right now. Overhead walkway. Seems almost like they need one back there. People don't want to.
This is where we used to pass to.
Oh, okay. We used to pass over there to Poquassee. But I guess we're just going to go straight this time. No shortcut today? Okay, no shortcut today. They got some work going on over there. Almost missed it. There it is. Yep, a big gutter over there too. So, wow, that was close.
Yeah, let him pass.
So there's the gutter situation going on over there. They're fixing all that to handle the water. Here we are. So this part of the road will be raised up so the water can pass through those holes. And then here, some more gutters that they're doing. You see the forms. They've poured the cement, so they'll take the forms off. Like I said, guys, I don't know what that is. Looks like something for a walkway, but I don't know that they'll do a walkway here. Oh, somebody's tag. Photos tag. Probably hit somebody's car. Okay, so you see here, guys, this is what they're doing in the middle. Yep, it looks like they put the stones down. There's some kind of blacktop. It looks like blacktop. Yep. Here's a gutter. Yep, so the road will be raised up to be able to, oh, broken down Chocho in front of us.
Oh, broken down?
Yeah. Will be raised up to allow the water to go into the gutter. Oh, so he's looking for something to jack up the car, the Chocho, so he can fix the tire or something. So see, for the most part, that will be here on the access road. And when we're going straight through, we'll be riding on the other road. So it has definitely rained. It's kind of risky passing these trucks like this. All right. So I guess they don't need the water trucks out today because it's rained. Got it kind of muddy. There's the overhead. it seems like,
They have time.
okay, they've tarred all of that in the middle. The overhead walkway, they do not have the ramp completed, but the stairs are completed. Okay, guys, so we're back. Yeah, I think I was saying that the road was tarred over there, and yeah, the overhead walkway, I told you about that. Okay, so here is the gutter, and this is where they'll raise the road up so people will pass on that area.
I think they have done it from Pukwasi there. I think it's only one side of the highway. They have tiled it all the way getting to Amasama.
Okay, so they tarred it all the way to Amasaman
Yeah. That's
from
one.
Pokwasi, except a little portion. Okay. So we're getting some progress going on. Even if they finish the middle part, and then it took them a while to do the side ones, it would still help the flow of traffic.
Right.
Because the side ones, you're not going super fast anyway, but you could really go quite a bit faster in the middle if you're going a straight shot. So this is the road we normally come out, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, so you guys have seen, we usually take the shortcut, but today we did not. Everybody maneuvering themselves through the mud. So they've done some here on this section. But I don't know, I think last time they were doing that one. They've gotten some of it done, but they're still working, I guess. But they have done these pillars, and then this pillar over here they're working on still. They have some scaffolding there and some over here, so I don't know what that's gonna be. Not really sure what they're doing there. If that's gonna be, oh, maybe it'll be like an exit from the main road. Don't know. Here's some more gutters. The forms. See how they're putting the forms on there and then they pour the cement. Yep. And here's this half of the walkway is completed. They're working on the other half now. So I think what they, oh, there's some more forms. So they're pouring, you see how they're pouring the cement for the wall. I think what they do is they complete the overhead walkway, the steps part of it, and then it seems like they're leaving the ramp part for later. There's a China Mall. This will be, I guess, the way that you come down from the main section. Guessing. high. There they have it. There's a lot of pavers over there. So they're really working over there. That's how it's gonna look. Oh, so maybe yeah, that's what they did over here, and then they fabricated the wall on top. So they might be doing that over there too. Thank you guys for riding along with us and keeping up to date on the road construction. We are going like you're going from Poquassee towards Insawam now. So that is where we're going. There's a lot of filling material here. Yep. There is the red, black, and yellow house. Sorry, guys. Guess a vehicle is broke down. And then we have the Chotros stopping on the other side, so makes it bottlenecked a little bit. So there we have it. There's the wall over here. Eventually we'll be riding up here, so they'll fill all this with dirt. Yup. So we'll actually be riding way up there. Overpass is looking like on this side.
And this is Pobeman.
Okay, Pobeman. We're in Pobeman.
That is Pobeman Junction.
Okay, Pobeman Junction. You see they're still pouring cement up there. They have the forms on the outside of the iron rods back there a little ways. So they're still pouring cement up there on that section for the walls. And then this will be the descent. So they have a lot of filling materials, but they're gonna need a lot more. Yep. That's what it's looking like. So as we come down, and then we'll level out here and continue straight through. This is Total Energy's Pobyman. Yep. And I think this is about normally where we leave you. The construction goes on for a while going towards Isawam, but we will not be covering that in this video, maybe in a future video. So I'm gonna let you guys go at that. Till next time, God bless you.